Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Happy Sunday. Yes, this video is going up on Sunday. So I hope you all are having an amazing Sunday, an amazing Super Bowl Sunday. Today's video is a little different. Before we get into it, if you like these types of videos and Dollar Tree crafts and other crafts, please be sure to hit that subscribe button because once you hit subscribe, we instantly become best friends.
Did we just become best friends? Yep!
And please go ahead and hit that notification bell. YouTube may or may not let you know when I post a video, but if they don't, follow me on Instagram and you'll always be up to date with what I'm up to. So, grab bags. Michael's grab bags are these bags or boxes. Sometimes they come in just bags, sometimes it's boxes, sometimes it's single items that they just slap this ticket on. This happens after every major holiday or big season. Once everything goes past the 80% clearance, Michael's has to wait for corporate to kind of let them know individually. That's why each store has different dates. But corporate lets them know when to take all of those clearance items and box them. So different stores have them in different locations. Some have them by the register, some have them by the frame aisle, some have them by the clearance aisle. I always suggest calling. I have about 3 Michaels that are relatively close, so I stop by personally. But if you don't have one close by, always call. Don't take the trip and waste gas. These also go quick, so if you see a video on this, do know that they're probably very scarce. I got 5 boxes and I'm 100% positive they are mainly Christmas. So let's stop with the chatting and start opening. So this one, let's get this one out of the way. I don't have much space where I'm at, so let's just do this. So the first item is chunky pink yarn. I'm actually really psyched about this because I have been meaning to get into crocheting, even though it's hand crocheting, for some time, and I am digging the fact that this is pink yarn. So this, does it have a price? I'll look the price up online, but this looks like something that was returned to Michael's and then they boxed it. And in this box I have 3. And I don't see a price on it, but like I said, I will tally everything up later. So this is all that's in this box. Whew. Not bad for $4 because yarn can be pretty expensive. Let's go with this box now. I do have one down. You know what? Let's go with this one down here. So this one is... Ooh. The first item is this Joy to the World little sign, and this is originally 20 bucks. So as you can see, I'll zoom into everything. This is actually pretty nice. So now on the side of the box, I have a ton of ornaments. I have little ballerina ones, unicorn. How cute. More ballerina ones. Oh. These are things that I never really pay attention to at Michael's when I go because I always make my own ornaments. But this little sheep in a sweater is 6 bucks. The unicorn is 5. The princess is 5. And they included quite a good amount. Ooh, cool. I also have a camper. This one doesn't have a price, but hopefully there is another one. $6. And I have a ton more. I'll calculate them all at the end because I really don't want to make this a really long video. I probably won't use this to decorate a tree, but Aria's birthday is in a few weeks and she's really into princess stuff and ballerina. So this would be kind of cool to just use as cake topper or little decorations. We're not doing anything big, but still really fun. So the box is not done. I also have 3 bigger items, which are these lighted path markers, and they're little Santa Clauses. These are $29.99, and they've included 3. So this is going to be really cool. Hopefully next year my lawn is taken care of. I haven't really talked since I haven't done a haul in a while, but we had a huge issue with our lawn, which is why I haven't done any more Playhouse videos. It's been really hard to do because we are living in a little swampland right now. But once that gets fixed, Playhouse videos are coming. Also, the weather has been awful. You can't really spray paint in the winter. So box number 3. The camera moved all sorts of places. So in here, they have a bag. So I guess I got a 2-for-1. This is gorgeous. So this is $18. Christmas Noel. This is really pretty. If you have glam decor going on in your home, we don't have to use this for Christmas. This is 18 bucks a piece, and they've included, this one's $8, and it's more of a rose gold copper color. This one is $8 as well. And I have little felt stickers. They look like they could be iron-ons, but they're not. They're just felt stickers. They're $3.99 a piece, $5.99 Canadian, and they've included 6 of these stickers. That's in the bag, which was in the box, so I didn't get charged for the bag. In here, we have some glass ornaments. These are $10, and they're in a beautiful, you can't pick, the camera isn't really picking up the color, but it's in like a really pretty green. Oh, I'm gonna have so much cleaning to do after this video. I have some garland. Yes. All right, so this garland is 20 bucks. I like them. I dig them. Maybe not to hang them up, but if you saw my gift basket video, I use these actually to line my baskets with, the much smaller ones that Michaels has. So this would be really cool for that as well. And then in the box, they've included a lot more ornaments. So I have 2 boxes of ornaments and a ton of clear ones. We'll add that up in the end. Sorry if my camera is so close, but we were packing. We thought we were gonna move. Box number 4. Box number 4. Wow, this one has a lot of stuff. So immediately I see, oh yeah, I love it. This is the coiled garland, and this is $14. This is really, really cool. And this looks more like what I lined my gift baskets with. And they also included this one. This one doesn't have a price tag, but I'm gonna assume it's the same price because all of them kind of seem to be the same. I'll look them up online, and if they're still available, then I'll put the correct one on there. I have a single flower. I have another little sheep. We'll put that with the other one so we can add it up. This beauty right here, and this is $4.99. I've never seen floral with a 99 from Michaels. How strange. This is cool. I can use this now. I have more ornaments, and these are in a blue. These are $10. Another set of ornaments, so I have large ones and small. And then this is actually really, really cool because I can do so many things with this next year. So these are $5 a piece, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more of these things. These are $14 because I guess they have glitter on them. Look at this adorable little sheep. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. This is $4. And you know what's funny? I actually bought these on clearance. I should have just waited, even though they only included 1. So there's cookie cutters in here as well, which is great because I'm getting into baking again. And they're all little truck with the Christmas tree cookie cutters. What I might do is I might save some of this stuff and do a giveaway next year. I feel a little strange doing a Christmas giveaway this year because the thumbnail is just going to be confusing. I did a giveaway not too long ago, and YouTube just doesn't suggest those videos, so it sucks because not a lot of people can enter. So maybe next year when I start doing Christmas crafts again, I'll include it in a Dollar Tree DIY video. That way people know that I'm doing a giveaway. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So in the box is just a lot more of the cookie cutters and some ornaments. Like I said, we'll add those up in the end. Let's move on to the next box. I have more of this fancy pants floral thing, and this is $8. I have this beautiful purple, $6. More of this. Ooh, oh my goodness. I can create so many beautiful things next year with all of this pearl. I need a bigger house, y'all. I really need a bigger house. These are 14 bucks a piece. Another one more of these little ornaments, and like I said, I'll just zoom into everything. I know that I'm in a really tight space. I have a little sock with a U on it. I love you, I guess. The truck cookie cutters. Oh, sweet. Oh, I have a bunch of these little baggies, but they're out of the bag. So I guess, oh no, I guess I just accidentally ripped it here. Treat bags, 7 bucks. I'm really enjoying this box. Oh, see, I didn't rip it aggressively. I don't know what these are, but I guess it's like to put around stuff. Peace, love, and joy. Maybe it's for a cup or a little candle, like to wrap it around, but it does have adhesive on the back. Or maybe it's not, because they folded one in. I don't know what this is. If you know what this is, let me know. Candles, I have purple, pink, and you can tell they just shoved the pink in here. So I guess this box was more them trying to clear clearance as well, not just Christmas clearance. This was 8 bucks, 12. Sweet. I have this. This is a berry, it says wreath, but this is, I don't know. This is not 8 bucks, just kidding. Sorry, they stuck another tag. This is a tabletop decor and it is $40. That seems more like it. Woo. So this is 40 bucks. Pretty nice. It does need some fluffing and fixing, but still really cool. Oh, this is just too cute. Merry Christmas, and it's a little doggy, hand-blown ornament. Adorable. $14.99. $16.99 Canadian. This little thing for cupcakes and cakes that says joyful. I actually bought one of these for a project. A little wine stopper with an R, and this is 10 bucks, 15 Canadian. I'm pretty certain this belongs to something else. There's nothing in this box that this would belong to. So this is probably a little like calendar, and they just stuffed it all in here. Okay, sweet. This is amazing. These are little twinkle lights. I actually bought these. Originally, they're 14 bucks. I don't see the price, but I did buy one, so $14. Okay, my friends, so that is it. Everything else is just duplicates, so like I said, I will add it all up. But I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you are able to get to Michael's and you find this. But if you did not this season, just spring is actually so good for grab bags. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it somewhere, but my spring one was amazing. I actually found my scale, not that one, that was one that I made, but the one that I have in my kitchen I found in the spring one. Just make sure that you follow the Michaels hashtag on Instagram because you'll see a bunch of goodies. But I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much, and I will hopefully see you on the next one.